It's my last ever moving day. Let's do this thing. Good morning, you guys. Oh my God. Today marks the last move-in day of college. Crazy. This is the 4th time in my life I'll be filming this video. This is my last college move-in day, which is really sad, but also moving in is like just such a process. I've been packing up my stuff for the past few days, organizing. So yeah, this is crazy. I'm moving into the same apartment that I was living in last year with the same girls, but one girl switched. So it's Emily, Caroline, and Alex. And yeah, this is crazy. I know that there's definitely a bunch of you watching out there that have probably been watching since my first college move-in day vlog. So full circle, guys. I'm glad you stuck with me, and I'm just really excited to get to Syracuse. I've been saying I'm so excited all summer, so today's the day. This is my box of like random stuff that I'm finding as I'm going that I want to bring with me. So I'm gonna find somewhere to put this. And then this bag, this is my backpack. This is white, so it's gonna get really dirty. Just some light reading. And then my makeup is in here, so it's easy access tonight. I'm gonna grab my laptop so I can edit videos on the way there. So I have pretty much all my stuff down here. Bedding, toiletries, and electronics. This is just where my clothes are, that's it. Shoes, bedding stuff. And then out here I have, one of these is full of sweatshirts and hoodies and jackets, and then another one is more random stuff that I just need for my room. So unfortunately for us, it is raining, which is so not ideal, but we have the car pulled up and we're gonna start filling everything. Oh, Rue. I'm gonna have to leave you, baby. I'm not bringing that plant, but here it is. It's so unfortunate that it's raining right now. Not much we can do. Here's the inside with just a few boxes. Yum. Pancakes for breakfast. And this one. Peace, Mom. Starts crying. Oh, your belly is.
Mom, keep your coffee ready?
Bye, girl.
Oh, somebody took a charger here.
If you guys have watched my other videos, you know that normally this is full to the brim. So I don't know what I did this time, but somehow not too bad. Goodbye to this iconic mirror. Bad news. We are in a really big traffic jam. I don't know if you guys can see all of these cars, but we've been here for about 20 minutes. People are getting out of their cars and no one knows what's going on, so hopefully no one was seriously hurt. There's an accident, we're pretty sure, and hopefully we can get moving soon, but we have no information. So we're in the middle of upstate New York. What are you doing, dude? What is going on? So cute. There's just families roaming the streets. This is crazy.
I think it's great. Gives us a chance to chill and relax.
Chill and relax. Yes, get back into your cars. Oh my God. Guys, the cars are moving. Dad, how long have we been parked here?
2 hours.
2 hours. Woo, 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 woo.
Yeah, baby.
Every year we make this same pit stop. That was probably the most painful drive of both, well, of my life. I don't know about his, but it took about 7 hours.
Yeah, certainly 6.5.
Yeah, because right as we were getting to Syracuse, the exit was closed, so another great thing. But I can see my apartment. I'm gonna try to find a little cart to put all my stuff in and just drop all of our stuff off. Okay, we got the bin. We're gonna start packing it up. I have my apartment key from last year on my hair tie. Yay, my munchkin! Okay, made it with my stuff. It wouldn't be a true move-in day vlog if I didn't do my hanger trick for you guys. So I feel like I don't have to explain this anymore, but I bring all of my sweaters and jackets to school pre-hung up. So when I get here, I grab them by their hangers, and that's gonna save me about 45 minutes hanging up all of these separate items. Literally brought my honey mamas with me. Yay. I have now brought all of my stuff in, so now I'm just gonna start organizing it. But here's what's left. If you guys remember from last year, this is looking sad, but I love those posters. I do love my art in here. Yay. The thing that I missed most about my room was the view. Since I got here super late, my dinner reservation is for 10 minutes from now. I'm basically just leaving my room a disaster. To cover my closet, I use a shower curtain on a tension rack. This is nice because it helps declutter your space when you can close.
Every kiss, every hug, let me stay in your arms. Let me stay
Outfit. Going out. Good morning. I had such a fun night last night, just like seeing people. Rolled out of bed, I'm going to breakfast with my dad. If you're ever looking for something to do in Syracuse, New York, you can come to the Erie Canal Museum. I just showered, as you can tell, and now I'm going to kind of organize my stuff. We have like a day party. I feel like this move-in isn't that exciting. Maybe I'll do some montage clips of organizing because I feel like those are satisfying. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the mess that is my room right now. So here's my desk area. This is also where I do my makeup and store all that. So that's in here. This is all random stuff that I brought last minute. What's in here? Oh, these are like supplements and vitamins. More home stuff. This I actually talked about in a vlog. It's from November 19th in Hell's Kitchen. This is my favorite smell in the entire world, so I got that for my birthday. And then here's my closet. You can tell this is just a mess. And then starting to organize. Oh my god. I have a long way to go.
Gotta be dressed for the ride.
Before